I'm going to solve this one. First AEP. Okay. So the first one in triangle AEP, whatever the triangle given, no, that same triangle, right? And triangle CDP. Okay. So AEP, I'll just mark AEP. This is the AEP. This is the AEP. Okay. And the CDP. This is the CDP. This is the AEP and CDP. So in this two triangle, what are the things you can able to say that? This is AEP. Okay, and CDP. Symbol is given here. This symbol is means 90 degree. This angle and this angle, these are 90 degree. Very good. That is why I can say that angle AEP is equal to angle CDP. In the bracket I can write each 90 degree. Okay, one angle I got. Next, tell me now, what is the next angle you can write? Another angles are equal in these two triangles. So I can say this angle, there is a APE, this angle and this angle. Angle APE.
Angle P is vertically opposite angle.
APE is equal to angle CPD. Vertically opposite angle. Correct. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA criteria. So the two triangles are similar. Oversee this question completed. Okay, always in all this question you will get two angle only. Second question, see angle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. So in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, in this two, so here we have ABD. This is the ABD. This is the one triangle ABD. Here this is the 90 degree ABD, and the CBE. This is the CBE. CBE. This is the CBE. Tell me now, what is the first thing you can see in this? So in this ABD, in the ABD, you can see that angle D is the 90 degree. So I can say that angle ADB is equal to, in the triangle CBE, if you see the CBE, this angle E is 90 degrees. So I can write here angle CEB, that is both are 90 degree here. Now what is the another two angles you can write in this now? Which are the two angles are equal? Now if you will just go for now example, you will take this triangle ABD. Okay, and if you are taking another triangle, that is CBE. What is B is common? Angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. The B is the common here. B is the common. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by AX similarity criteria. Okay, so the two triangles we have got here similar. Similarly, here you have to find out the third one. So the next now. Next we have to go for triangle AEP, triangle AEP and ADB. In this, what we can say now, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB. Okay, AEP. In the AEP triangle, which angle is 90 degree? Angle E is 90 degree. So AEP is equal to 90 degree. Now in the CDB, in the ADB, which angle is 90 degree?
Angle D.
Angle ADB, yes. So each 90 degree. Angle AEP and ADB 90 degree. Now find one more angle now here. What is the one more angle will come here?
Angle Triangle A.
First angle is
What once again
common
say?
angle.
Common angle. Angle A is common. That is what I can write here. PAE. PAE and DAB. That is what common angle here. Common. Therefore, two triangles. That is AEP is similar to triangle ADB by AA similarity criteria. Similarly, fourth one you have to solve PDC. In triangle PDC and triangle BEC. Tell me which angle is first now here we should take. PDC and BEC. PDC. PDC. So D is
Sir, angle PDC equal to angle BEC.
PDC is 90 degree. Another BEC. Yeah. The E is the 90 degree. BEC. Both are 90 degree here. Now tell me which angle is common here.
Angle C common.
Angle
Angle C, sir.
Angle C. See in both the triangle PDC, PDC and BEC. The C is common. Yeah, correct. C will come in common. So I write here now C. That is what PCD is equal to BCE. Why? Because of common. So therefore I can say that triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC by AA similarity criteria. So if you have any doubt you can ask.